My name is Charlie Warner, and I work for CPA Ontario. I'm a C5-6 quadriplegic from a hockey accident a little over 25 years ago. When I first left rehab, I thought, wow, now I'm on my own. I don't have as much care. I have different caregivers. My personal situation was my mom that was providing my support. I tried to make sure that I didn't alter very many things. Leave the diet the same, leave my exercise, leave the fiber, trying to change as little as possible until I made the adjustment to home cooking. Years later I did move out, and adjusting to new attendants, having a different person doing your bowel care from one day to the next, that was a huge challenge. Some people may not want to talk about it, but you have to ask. How was my routine? What was the consistency? Was there any blood? How long did it take? Those are all things that aren't normal questions that we would talk about, but they became normal to me and still are to this day. Natural fiber, in the winter I would take a bit more of things like cereals and brands, whereas in the fresh fruit season, I grew up in a rural area, so you get more natural fiber as sweet corn, tomatoes, whatever, vegetables, lettuce, things like that, that you can supplement your diet and not have to worry about your fiber content. It just comes naturally because whatever fruits and vegetables are in season. Whereas in the wintertime you have to monitor a little bit more closely. Hot days, fluid intake for me is very natural. In the fall and the winter you think, wow, I better keep drinking, got to keep drinking, or otherwise I might pay for it the next morning, so that's a big thing for me as well. Bowel accidents happen. When I was in rehab, I had a lot of them. I thought that was sort of like my cross to bear. I didn't have a lot of pressure sores or anything like that, but I was having bowel accidents, and I thought, how will I ever get out in the community? How will I be able to go places independently? Things like that. But things did get better. The bowel accidents decreased, and if I did have one, I would go back and sort of say, okay, what caused that? What did I do differently? And sort of think about what had changed, and I was able to maybe pinpoint that and say, okay, I'm going to avoid that for now, and try and get to the root of it. But there is hope at the end of the tunnel.